Okay, we'll take a break from Sec 3 topics because quite a few of you are asking me questions from the revision worksheet. For example, this particular one. Now, this particular one is very simple. Okay, later I tell you how, then you laugh already. Okay, Now, in order to do those kind of questions, you need to understand this topic called polygons. It was taught to you in, is it Sec 1 or Sec 2? Okay, doesn't matter lah. Sec 1 or Sec 2, you learn this, right? Polygons means straight-sided figure. Okay, so normally the diagrams they give you are regular polygons. Okay, regular means all the sides are the same. Okay, meaning equilateral triangle is a regular polygon. No? All the sides and all the angles are the same. So the angles inside polygon is called interior angle. Okay, interior angle. So if let's say you have square or rectangle, this is called interior angle. Okay, and what's exterior angle is the one that's outside lah. Okay, okay, so very simple. See, sum of interior angles. That means if I were to add up all the all the interior angles of a regular polygon, right? There's a formula, okay, and the formula is given by n minus 2 times 180. What is this n? This n is the number of sides. Okay, so you see the smallest polygon, 最小的 polygon we can have is called a triangle. Correct or not? That's why there must be a n minus 2 because the smallest one is 3 There's no two-sided polygon, cannot. Because polygon must be closed, you see. Two side, how to be a polygon? Cannot. It's not a closed figure. It must be a closed figure. You understand? Which means that the smallest polygon is 3. And you know that the sum of the angles, interior angles in a triangle is 180, right? That's why it must be n minus 2 times 180. So in the exam, if you forget, right, you just draw this and then the rest is from here. Meaning what? Then what are you talking about? What do you mean from here? So let's say I have a 4-sided polygon. Need not be a rectangle, whatever. Just any 4-sided figure. You see, I cut. I get 2, right? You see, I get 2 triangles. So you see, when I have 4 here, 4 minus 2, I get 2 triangle inside here. Similarly, if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, need not even be regular. Okay, meaning the side need not even be the same. Can you see? I strategically cut into triangles, right? 1, 2, 3. So 180, 180, 180. Correct or not? So isn't this 5-sided? So it's n minus 2 times 180, right? Isn't it 5 minus 2 times 180? Isn't it 1, 2, 3, 3 triangles inside? So very easy lah. No need to, I mean, this formula must make sense to you. Okay, now if I know the sum of the interior angles for regular means all the sides are the same length, meaning all the interior angles, all the exterior angle also same, right? So if I want each one only, then I take n minus 2. No big deal one. It looks difficult, but it's not. Okay, divided by how many angles would there be? Not n minus 2 not n minus 2, but n. Correct or not? Because there are n sides there are n sides, n-sided polygon, so this must divide by n. Okay, not n minus 2 Okay, I hope you understand this. Now if we have interior angles, right, then we will also have exterior angles. Okay, exterior angles are very simple. You add up all the exterior angles, right, it's 360. There's no n or whatever, no. Regardless of how many sides you have. Okay, I give you an example. 3-sided, you add up all the white angles, it must be 360. Why? Okay, let's take an equilateral triangle. It'll be 120, right? 120, 120 isn't 360? Okay, where is it? Here. Okay, sorry, I don't know whether you saw me writing this just now. Okay, so can you see that if you don't believe this, you take a look at this. Exterior angle is 90, right? 9, 18, 27, 36. Isn't it same? Also add up to 360, right? So I can go on and on and on and on and on. The result is the same. Okay? When I talk about exterior angles, is always even non-regular, not regular, also add up to 360. Okay? Okay. Okay, then now if I want one, only one, okay, and there are n sides of, I must say here, an n-sided polygon, n-sided polygon, then you'll be 360 divided by n This one you learn kindergarten also learn already. Okay. So I think this is clear, right? Okay, now let's do that question that many of you cannot do. Like that, very simple. I know this one is like very easy. Okay, where is the question? Okay, whatever, K, L, A, B, C, L, J, K, L, M, N. I think this is N. I think I copied wrongly. Okay, so they want you to find out the sum, add up all these angles. A plus D, add up all. So you just observe. Do you notice that this? We start with this. This will add up to 180. That means this plus this will add 180. Then this plus this will add up to how many? This one is, it must be strategic. 1, 2, there you draw. Isn't it 180? So to apply that formula, 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, right? Isn't it n minus 2 times 180? Isn't it 2 of these triangles inside? That's all, no big deal. Okay, then now they want you to add this. Okay, but if I find the sum of the angles in this polygon, it will include this, right? So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So don't you agree? It is 4 times 180. Okay, but if I use the formula, right, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, correct. So it's n minus 2 times 180. Isn't it correct? That's all right. That's interior angle, ladies and gentlemen. Interior angles. You know, you see 1, 2, 3, 4. Everybody knows, right? 180, right? Okay. So isn't it n four-sided? N minus 2 bracket times 180. Isn't it 2 times? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, correct. Isn't it these two? Yeah. Okay. So you see, do you agree that when I add up all these ding dong dong, all add up together, right, it covers all the alphabet angles, but it also covers these. So but what is this? Isn't these angles at a point? So I just need to add up this plus this minus 360 degrees. That will be my answer already, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so that's all. Okay, okay, that's all. Okay, now I go to another example on angles. How to find these? How to use this formula and this formula. Okay. Alright. Okay, so I think no need to refer to. Okay, anyway, it's not in your formula sheet. I think it's very common sense, right? Any exterior angle. Exterior angle here, all add up to 360. Okay? Then all the inside one. Because they can be cut up into triangles. That's why it's n minus 2 times 180. Why n minus 2? Because the smallest polygon is 3-sided figure. Then you must get 180 Okay, so I think I throw this away already. I crushed it. You don't need to refer already, right? It should be in your brain now. Okay, now in an n-sided polygon, the ratio of the sum of its interior angle to the sum of its exterior angles is this one. Sound very complicated, right? Don't be scared, okay? You do one thing at a time. So you see, how many sides? N sides. You must see carefully. How many sides is important. They can say n n plus 2 lah, n plus 3 lah, n 2n lah, 2n minus 4, 2n. They can say how many also they want. They can tell you, okay? The ratio of the sum of its exterior angles to the sum of its interior angles. So never mind. You know that the ratio of this, you box this up. Don't be scared. Then this one, box this up. Not scared, not scared. Okay, then it's 1:5. Okay, 1:5. You don't write 1:5. Okay, you write as a fraction. Like that. Okay. Then fraction, single fraction. And single fraction, we learn. Was it yesterday or what? Right? If you write single fraction here, then you can cross multiply, so that's the way. That's the strategy. Okay. Sum of exterior angles. Sum of exterior angle, isn't it 360? We learned already, right? You add up all the exterior angle of this is 360, but if they say each, ratio of each, then it's 360 divided by n. Okay, don't get mixed up. You only divide by the number of sides if you want each. Okay? Okay, now. Then they say, sum of its exterior angle. Alamak, we just learned just now, what? Isn't it n minus 2 times 180? We just learned just now. Then number. This is the only unknown you can solve already. Take note, they say sum. That's why I put here sum. But if they say each, I got to divide by n, correct? If they say each, exterior angle there to 360 divided by n, right? Okay, then now I'm ready to cross multiply and get my answer. Very simple, okay? 180 n. Okay, then this one is maybe like that. Okay, then you go and do your own. Very simple. Okay, you go and do your own. Okay. So that was the, I think, the SSL question given to you. Okay, done already. Crush already. Everybody know already. Okay. Now it's like that already. You cannot say, I don't know. Cannot. How can you don't know? Okay, now. We do one last question, okay? So 12 minutes already. We do one last question. Now, this question says the SSL worksheet. I think it's SSL. I think 2000 or 3000. I can't remember. Okay. Now the ratio of an of an interior angle. Okay. So it's what? Interior. Oh, n. That means each is one. Okay. What? Wow. Sounds difficult. To an interior angle of a regular polygon. Like very difficult like that. Okay, is 15:16. So what did I tell you? This 15:16, right? You don't write it as 15:16, okay? Don't write it like that. You write it as a fraction. You know what is fraction? 15/16. That's called a fraction. Then there's an equal thing. I show you. Okay, time is running out. I want to keep the video very short. Like that, you see? So you see, then you say, like that. Yeah. Then you choke, you cough and choke. This one is no big deal. This one is this one. Yeah. No big deal, Like that only. Okay? Then this side I need a single fraction, right? But then you say, this one not a single fraction. Wait this one wait. We slowly do, okay? So these are wait. I try to write here. Oops. Where did it go? Wait, some technical issue. to the wrong wire. No, wrong laptop. Okay. Okay. Wait. Okay, so you see, this this thing here, write it as a fraction. This part clear, right? Okay, then this side must be a single fraction. Why must be a single fraction, as we learned in the previous video? So that we can cross multiply. Okay, but how do I get this in the first place? Now you see, an interior angle, what's the formula? N minus sum of interior angle is n minus 2 times 180 degrees, right? And it's n-sided If it's n-sided, you put n here lah. Okay, so an interior angle means you have to divide by n because there are n sides. Then you say, hey, why not n minus 2? N minus 2 is to settle the number of sides. Okay, it's not the number of sides of the polygon. Okay, n minus 2 is to make sure we get just now I already explained, to get the interior angles, because the smallest polygon is 3 the side is 3. That's why you must minus 2 here. This one you don't n minus 2 you n minus 2 then you are saying that there are n minus 2 sides. Okay, that's why it's n here. That's why you get this fella here. Understand? So this is the fraction inside a fraction. Okay, now how do you get the other one? Again, it's interior angle. Alamak. So they are forcing you to learn interior angle. N minus 2 sided polygon. Oh, so how? Isn't it, the formula isn't it n minus 2 times 180? But then this number of sides, right, is actually n plus 2. Then you say, what are you talking about? You listen carefully. Down here, there are n sides, right? You see n sides. That's why I put n here, But this one is not n sides, it's n plus 2. So it must be n plus 2 sides. Then you say this minus 2 is this minus 2. This 180 is this 180. You follow already? So the number of sides, you follow whatever they give you. Okay? If they say n plus 3, you put n plus 3 here. 2n, you put 2n here. N minus 4, you put n minus 4 here. Okay? Then you must divide by, because they want 1 only Is it divide by n? No, not divide by n. N plus 2. Why n plus 2? Because there are n plus 2 sides. Then you say, then why down here divide by n? Because there are n sides here. Like that. Okay? Yeah, so that's how you do it. So actually this is just n. This is just n. N plus 2 minus 2 is just n, right? Okay? So this is what I wrote here. Okay, now what do you do after this? I take this thing as one whole thing, and then I cross multiply. I can actually times this one here also. Wait, but I didn't. Okay, wait. Wow, how to scroll down? Wait. Like that. Okay. So the rest is all algebra. Alright. Now, I can cross multiply here. I can actually this one cross here. You can do it that way, up to you. Okay. But I am just trying to do it this way. So this and this can cancel, right? Then become this over this. Then this over this times this, Okay? Then what do I do after that? I so-called cross multiply this. Okay? To get this. Then this n square, right? I throw here 15n square, and then this one I throw here. This one multiply, and then you can get the answer. Okay, you go and try it out. This one I think is some. Okay. Then after that, you solve. Now, whenever you take square root of both sides, remember, you must have plus minus. Okay? Then you will get 8 or minus 8. So you reject this answer. Okay? Reject this answer. Can? Why? Because your number of sides must be positive. How can number of sides be negative? Okay? So that's all. Okay, we'll end here.